front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Now tap on Google under Preferred Services, available on the left, and hit Google Password Manager. Finally, you can select Accounts at the bottom left corner, hit Add Password at the top, and input all of those informations. If you can't see Add Passwords option though, that means that you never added a password before. You need at least one to make this option accessible, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled. Exit Settings and log in into any app with an account, like Facebook. Enter all of your information and wait for the pop-up to show up. When it does, select Save at the bottom right corner and then go back to Google Password Manager. Hit Accounts again and as you can see, my password is here. After yours will be successfully added, you will see Add Password option at the top as well. And after clicking on it, you'll be able to enter all of those informations. At the top, select any website or click on Select App to tap on the one you wish to add. Enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!